Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper rose. Of course, I'm just making a basic rose, a basic color, and I'm using a cellophane type paper. Of course, you can use your imagination and use any kind of Kleenex tissue. You can use gift wrapping paper. You can mix colors, make a rainbow rose. All kinds of things you can do with a little imagination. And these are some of the papers. This is the paper I'm using. I'm just going to do a basic rose for you, just to show you and get you started. You make sure that I have 8 squares here, and you make sure that you have even amount of squares. They can be larger or slightly smaller. They don't have to be the same size as mine. You can use more than 8 papers. It depends how big you would like it to be. So let's get started here. You need a pair of scissors. That's just to cut the paper into the squares. And when you're doing the paper, make sure you fold it so that it's even and you get the seams so you know where to cut. So I'm just going to use a basic tie. You can also use a ribbon, any color, anything to tie it together later. Now this is what we start with. You kind of make it like a fan. You fold over a little over ½ an inch, and then you turn it over and you fold again. You turn it again. You just keep doing this until you get to the very end. Go from one side to the other and you just keep folding it in the same amount. Press down if you can to keep it flat, and then this is what you end up with to start with. And now you take your tie. I'm just using a basic garbage bag tie here. What looks like a kind of a butterfly or a fan. And pull out the sides, stretch them a little bit, and you loosen each leaf, each sheet of paper here, and you pull it up. You shape it the best you can. You pull it up as far as it'll go. And you do this with every single one. You have to make sure you pull each one up evenly on both sides. And you kind of pull it around so it stays in shape here. And you continue this with every single layer. Until they're all up. And like I said, you can use, each layer can be a different color. Colors of the rainbow. You could have a rainbow rose. That would be very pretty. You can even stick a nice glue design in the center of the rose. And for your tie, you could use any color ribbon. Done here. Lifting all these pieces. You just keep going around and shape it the best you can. You can leave one layer flat at the bottom if you like, or just pull it up, whichever you prefer. Sometimes people like to leave it flat, one layer flat, give it that extra design. Or you could just leave it where it will still stand. You can do that also. So you can even do this with tissue paper, crepe paper, and there you go. This is the finished product. And if you have a little battery light or some kind of little fake candle light, you can stick that in there to give it a nice little design and a light inside.